That is right, we are back on the road again today. We're not flying, we're just doing a little road trip across the mountains to Lake Chelan for the Fire and Ice Festival. We've been wanting to do this for the last 3 years that we've lived here in this house and just never made it happen. So this is the final push and gotta make it happen this year. We are taking the dogs with us, so that'll be fun to not leave them behind. And they will enjoy being in the snow again. So a little bit of contrast. We do miss the sunshine. It'll be fun to be back in the snow as it's just been rain and gloom and doom since we've been back from the Bahamas. But this should be a good time, should be a good festival. And I just got done packing up, but we have a little bit more prep work to do. Got to go get some chains for the car and finish packing the camera gear, get the dogs loaded up, pick up Heather, and head eastbound. So that's the goal, that's the plan today. So let's make it happen. You guys ready? Guys, I'm gonna put the camera away, be a polite guest, and socialize because I'm meeting our friend Stephanie's mom for the first time. So I will see you guys in the morning, but we're gonna spin straight to the festival. Here we go. And good morning, everybody. We are at the first activity of the day. We are sledding. It's quite nice. Look at that view behind us. This place is awesome. We're in Lake Chelan this weekend. Like I said earlier, for the Fire and Ice Festival. Not Ice our dog, Ice the other one. Oh. First wipeout. She didn't get anywhere. That was great. All right, let's do some sledding.
That one next.
Okay. Ready, bud? I see you ready. Let's go. Oh, I'm not ready. Whoa. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Woo! I haven't been sledding in forever. That was awesome. Go, Stephanie! Oh, Sifa! Oh. I think Heather's having a good time. All right, we're just wrapping up the sledding. I'm gonna throw the lens on my M5, take some stills, and then throw the drone up the air for the walk home because it's pretty picturesque, get some drone shots. And then I'm not sure what we're up to next, but this was definitely a lot of fun. I haven't been sledding in years, so this was an awesome little adventure. Sorry if the audio is kind of screwed up on this waterproof camera, but that's how you get the good shots of doing stuff like this without ruining your stuff. So it is what it is. We're gonna switch over to the M5 here in a second. All right, we're walking into town. We're gonna go get our passes for the festival this evening and get some lunch while we're at it. The dogs are done. They're tired. They had a great morning, but they are taking a nap, which is good because they kept us up all night last night. So hopefully we can get some sleep, and they sleep now for the rest of the day. All right, just made it into town. Very, very picturesque here. Completely different from where we just came from in the Bahamas, but it's still pretty. It is cold as balls. It's like, can you say cold as balls on the vlog? I'm gonna do it anyways. It's like 25 degrees out here right now. Maybe not that cold, but it's pretty chilly. And we just got here, so let's get our passes and get some food. Only been walking around tasting wine, but we found a jerky stand. They have python and snapping turtle. So let's taste. What is that? They can't see it.
So weird.
Snapping turtle, kangaroo. I've heard of kangaroo jerky. Snapping turtle and python.
Mako shark.
Mako. I might eat that.
Messed up.
I'm not eating the Mako shark.
Save our sharks.
I'm not eating the camel. I will try the snake and the turtle though. All right, let's do it.
Cow, and you
All
call it like really cool
Python
thing.
jerky. Yeah, this snake jerky.
I gotta buy already. It's delicious.
So it reminds me, the texture reminds me of calamari.
It's good. Very good. Obviously, it's been seasoned, marinated, and peppered, but it's good. All right. Didn't have the turtle ready, so we're gonna go find some dinner and go from there. Boom, and it is Sunday. Hello, my friends. Good morning. We're out walking the dogs again. I'm flying the drone. Got the drone charged up. Trying to capture the beauty of this place. Don't have quite as much light as we did yesterday, but hopefully it turns out pretty good still. And yeah, so last night was pretty much summing it up would be just kind of like what would it be? It would be like a feature film for Chelan. Supposed to draw people in to come see the shops. They had wine tasting inside the little shops on Main Street. So trying to get people over across the mountains and into the stores of the street on the streets of Chelan. So if that's the theme of this kind of festival, let's go ahead and show the nice Lake Chelan drone montage that I'm gonna throw together. So why don't you guys check that out, and we'll pick this back up probably when we're back on the road and headed home. that was it for us in the snow. That's probably gonna be it for the snow for a while. So we got it in. The dogs are happy and they're tired. Hopefully they sleep all the way home. And I hope you guys enjoyed the Chelan Winterfest adventure. I'll see you in the next video.
Look out, Rudy!